Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue with TikTok where you're unable to watch the video as it is age protected. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So this has happened to quite a lot of users on TikTok, but it is a great feature on TikTok to protect young users from potentially harmful content on TikTok. However, this is happening to users who are over the age of 18 years old. So let me show you how to fix this issue. The first option is to disable restricted mode. You can do this by going into your TikTok app, then tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on digital well-being. Here, find restricted mode and tap on it, then turn it off. Now, videos that TikTok thinks may be inappropriate for some people will no longer be restricted and all the videos will be shown no matter what the content is. If you're below 18 years old, you won't be able to turn on restricted mode. And that is how to fix the issue with TikTok where you're unable to watch the video as it is age protected. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.